Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am not going to be doing a makeup tutorial because you can see there's makeup already on my face. As soon as this courier service and this online thing started, I had a stuff to order, like 7-8 products to order from Nykaa, and today I'll be reviewing the 3 products out of those all products in this video, and all 3 of them are foundation. Okay, so first of all, I have applied one of them on my face today and I'm very happy, and I will not tell you which one is it. I'll tell you in the last of the video, and I will also tell the products I have used on my face today, all of them, starting from primer or whatever. So I'll just tell you all the products I have used, or the palette I have used, or whatever. So the 3 foundations have different formulation, all 3 of them. One is the normal liquid foundation which you get in a bottle or a tube. Another one is a compact kind of foundation which is a concealer cum foundation. You can use it as a concealer, you can use it as proper foundation on your face. It comes in like a compact palette. And the third one is a powder foundation, which is not very much available in every brand, or which is not very popular. It's actually underrated, but they can work fine, yes. So the first foundation all 3 of them are drugstore brands and very beautiful and very popular, successful brands, and very economical also. So the first foundation is this one, Faces Canada. Again, all 3 the products are not new launches. They have been launched like for years, but I haven't used them. So let's see how they work. The first product is the Faces Canada weightless matte finish foundation. It is written that it has anti-aging natural extracts, which is the lie. Nothing can stop you from aging. It is 35 ml for 449 rupees, so it is very economical. Most of the foundations are 30 ml and you get 25 out of them. So this is a 35 ml. Obviously you'll get 30 out of them because they put 35 ml, yes, but a lot of it is always stuck on the inner walls of whatever container it's containing. So no matter how much I empty this tube, at least 5, 6, 7 ml is gonna stuck in there. So 35 ml you'll get more than at least 28 ml. So this is 450 rupees, and no other foundation retails for this kind of price. They may be close, like Maybelline Fit Me is a close one, or Nykaa one is a close one, but you cannot get foundation. Okay, the formulation is normal foundation, like I do stuff like that, sorry. So the foundation is a normal foundation, the what we say, liquid foundation. Okay, coverage is medium. I have become a fan of medium coverage nowadays, ever since this lockdown started from like 3 months. I am not having doing makeup every day. I am doing makeup like twice a week at the max, just to make a video or make my TikTok videos or whatever, like when I feel like having makeup. So I have considered number 1 foundations are medium coverage foundation, because you can build them as the full coverage ones, obviously, and medium coverage is very natural. When you look at someone looks at your face, it's very, very natural if they give you a medium coverage. It's not full, it shouldn't be full coverage. Full coverage foundation should be, you can wear full coverage foundation only when you have to go out for some functions or events or some wedding, or where you have to be clicked a lot with HD cameras and all. So then you need full coverage foundation. So I've used this once. I've used all 3 of them. This is a beautiful product. Okay, it blends very good. It is not very heavy. As it says, it's weightless. It feels weightless. It doesn't feel you have applied anything on your face, and it's fine. It's a little watery than the other one. Like, it has a consistency of Maybelline Fit Me one. If you see, Maybelline Fit Me are a little more watery than the other ones, but I think they are made diluted this way so that they give only medium coverage. This is not a full coverage, obviously, so I'm telling you again and again. So it is ultra blendable, yes. Comfortable texture, yes. That's light on the skin, very true. Natural and luminous finish, yes, you can say that. Someone would find like there's some shine and some glow on the face. Others might not like it. Depends on your vision. Doesn't clog pores. I can say yes, because it's not very heavy coverage. So heavy coverage foundations, they might clog your pores, others don't. Suitable for all skin types. Nowadays I'm having a little acne issues. Right now it's clean, I don't have any acne, but sometimes there's a zit. So if you apply it on it, it's fine. Dermatologically tested, obviously. So just take a required amount on your of the product on your hand, apply it all over the face and neck. I just put foundation here and I use it with a brush. So this one I would give a 8 out of 10 to this foundation. Okay, so the next one is again not a new launch. It's Nykaa. It is Nykaa Get Set Click Cream to Powder Compact. So it is a kind of foundation. You get it like this. So it is very hard cream kind of thing. I don't know if it's visible or not, but it's a hard cream kind of thing, and it's good blendable. Okay, its finish is a little more matte, and it has a better coverage than this one. When you apply this, you'll get a good coverage, very good coverage. So it comes with this thing. I used it once. It is very good. It is actually working. You just dip it like this and you just dab it on your face, so it works. You don't need to blend it with a brush. So it is travel friendly. The best part about this foundation is that it is a travel friendly because it has mirror also. This is a beautiful mirror, guys. Very clean and good. I mean, big size mirror. You can see your full face in it through this much distance. So this has a problem about the shades. There are only 5 shades available. Only 5. You have to go and choose one out of those 5 only. You can mix 2, that's also. So I have this Mocha Madness 06. It is the darkest shade. Okay, almost in every brand, in every foundation card, I am on number 3 or number 1. I have a wheatish to fair skin tone. My skin tone is slightly fairer than the wheatish one. But this Mocha Madness is 1 shade darker to my skin tone. I took 2 shades in it. Another one is lying in my vanity. Its name is Sweet Caramel. I guess something caramel. Sweet Caramel. It is a 1 shade. It is half shade lighter than my skin tone. And then comes the Mocha Madness, which is at least 1 shade darker. You can see, like, this is a darker shade than my skin tone. It is actually looking like a bronzer, but it's not. So I like this shade because I am using it as concealer and foundation both. When you have to conceal your face, you have to look for the shade which is the best suitable, the most closest to your skin tone, or you can go a shade, half shade darker also for concealing, because you want to eliminate the dark circles. You don't want to fade them oddly and then they're black shining, or some black shading is coming out of that, whiteness on your face. That's really bad. You have to go through the right shade. I would do from next time, I would be mixing both the shades, the Sweet Caramel one and this Mocha Madness. I will mix both of them and I would get my perfect shade. I know that. This is very buildable, very good coverage. It's properly matte. It has creamy texture, but it's properly gives a matte look, matte finish and matte look. And it doesn't dry you. It's formulated in Italy. It's cream to powder compact. Its shade is Mocha Madness. This is called the 2-in-1 concealer foundation. It retails for rupees, I think it's about 6.99 as far I remember. Either 5.99 or 6.99. So yeah. Okay, the Faces Canada one, I got it on 20 or 25% off. This Nykaa one got it on 30% off. Now it's not having any off, I guess. So I would give it again 8 out of 10. Like 8 out of 10. So this was the cream foundation. This is the compact 2-in-1 concealer foundation. You don't need to use concealer with this one. Just put on a moisturizer you use and put a primer you use, and you're good to go with this one. Okay, how much grams they are giving? There's nothing written. I just threw away the outer packaging, but nothing is written on the back of this. Otherwise it's always written on the like 35 ml. Okay, next is the powder foundation. Okay, this product was launched like 5, 6, I don't know, even more years ago, but I never used it, never. few days ago I opened the Nykaa app to get some things. I thought of purchasing some kind of bases, same foundations and concealers. So I came across this one, and it was on 50% discount first of all, which attracted me. Getting makeup on 30, 40, 50% discount is a treasure hunt. You have to get them if you love makeup. You need to get makeup. If it is on 30, 40, 50% discount, it's a lot. You're not gonna get makeup anywhere in shops or any other places on this discount. It's only on apps most of the time. So it is L'Oreal True Match Minerals Skin Improving Foundation, powder foundation. It retails for 1215 rupees. I must say, in drugstore brands, L'Oreal and Makeup Revolution London are on a bit pricey side in drugstore brands. Rest is fine. Like if you go for Nykaa or Faces Canada or Maybelline or Lakme, they are on fine. They are average costly products. But this one, so this is a powder foundation, 1215 rupees. I got it on 615 something. It was 48, 49% discount. So I got it in 600. So I ordered 2 of these. Even if it was just like a, trying my luck to get 2 together. So I got 2 of them. Its shade which I use, the shade is 4.D Natural Door Golden Natural. So it is actually completely my shade. See, you can see. Same skin. It's actually my shade. Okay. It's not at all heavy. It doesn't give full coverage. It's just you have to apply a moisturizer, and then you have to prime your face and then apply it with the face brush, some kabuki brush, round kabuki brush. I use a Pro Art brush, or I use this one. This is a Face Expert brush of Real Techniques. Very, very nice brush. I just dip it in and just go it on my face. Okay, you have to open it. There's a very big lid. I don't know why. And this is a good thing because it just presses it and doesn't let the powder. There is a net here. This is a net, and you get the product. So just dip the powder. Dip the brush, which is of this size at least. Bada brush nahi, not a big brush. This size brush, which will fit into this container. Dip it in. You'll see the product, just shake over it only, the excess will shed off, and then you can just dab it or you can spread it anywhere. It's very easy, just apply it with compact. So this is a beautiful product, beautiful. I am in love with this product. I'm going to order it again and again. I'll always look for discount at least like this 40, 45, 50%. It was almost 50% I got. That's amazing. And now there's no off on it. I just checked. The only problem is, this is a container, big container. It's a bulky one. It is not travel friendly because it doesn't have a brush also. They could have provided a small brush here of this size only. Just we open it and the product is already on brush. You can shake it and then you can use it. It could have been a little travel friendly. You can keep it in your car, not in your purse, or if you have a handbag, you can keep it. It serves the purpose of compact or foundation, or you can use it after the blush on also because it can work as compact also. So actually there's a bad thing about this one, that they have to provide a brush. You are taking 1215 rupees for this product. I'll tell you the amount. You'll have a heart attack when I tell you the amount. So they should have provided a brush. They should provide a brush over here. It is necessary. Okay, in 1215 rupees you are getting 10 grams of powder. So this is, guys, hell costly. So that means it is actually having a price of MAC foundation, right? Any foundation which is 3000 rupees, you're getting it in the price of 3000 rupees plus. It's 1200. So 12 threes are 36. So it's exactly equal to the price of MAC foundation. It is, because they are giving 10 grams in 1200. So MAC foundations are at least 30. Every foundation is at least 30 grams, 30 ml. What the hell is wrong? I don't know. They should have given at least 25 grams of powder. It is needed. And they should provide brush also. Otherwise they should its price should already be 600 or 700. Why its price is 1200, I don't know. But yeah, it works. I liked it. Yeah, I mean, if I get it on 600 for this face, okay, I just exposed it. So this is the product I used today on my face. I put a moisturizer on my face and a primer, and then I dipped my brush and I just applied this powder on my face. I didn't apply any highlighter. I just used a little nude blush on, little nude lip, and a palette, eye palette. I'll tell you which one. So guys, this is a pricey product, I know, but I liked it. I will never purchase it on 1200. I will purchase it on always 600-700, not more than that. I will not purchase it if there is no discount on it, right? Anyways, I use 7-8 different kind of foundations simultaneously. One day that one day that one. So my product doesn't get finished for like a year. Any foundation will not get finished for a year. Any foundation. Even if I'm talking about this, I can show you the same tube next year also. Because when I'm gonna use it, like when I am a person who doesn't go out every day, as my daughter's school is shut down, and I don't have to go every day, and I do makeup for like twice a week at max to make video or to go on my TikTok profile, and I have to make videos. So that's it. Otherwise, I don't really need to apply makeup every day. It is amazing. Okay, I will give a 9. I will give a 9 out of 10 to this one. This is beautiful. This is very light. This gives a matte finish. This is not at all drying. Being a powder also, it's not at all drying. And the foundation shade is perfectly, which is matching my skin tone. You can see for your shades, there are 5-6 shades. Yeah. So this was the review for all the 3 products which I ordered in the name of base. Like this is the bases which I ordered, foundations I ordered. Now a little thing, the eye palette I used today is the Lemonade Craze of Maybelline, which I have been using in my last 2 videos also. This is Lemonade Craze. The outer color is the first base was the Coral Punch, then was the Berry shade, and then this is the shimmer shade, the little gold shimmer shade one. So it is a very beautiful palette, I must tell you. It is a beautiful palette. You'll get these kind of shades only. It is going perfectly with my outfit also today, and earrings and everything. So I used Biotic moisturizer on my skin, and then I used the Color Bar spray primer. After that I used L'Oreal True Match Minerals Skin Improving Foundation, powder foundation. After that I did my brows with a dark palette, and then I did my eye with the Lemonade Craze palette of Maybelline. Then I put the kajal from the shadow from another Maybelline palette, 24K Nudes, the darker color. There's only one dark color in that palette, the blush nude one. Then I applied the Pose HD Glam, a little nude blush on here, not the apples of my cheeks. I've changed this from my last 2 videos. I have stopped applying blush on the apples of my cheeks. I've started applying here. I'm not a contouring person much more right now. And then I used a normal, I don't remember which one, I think My Glam, that nude pencil. And then I used the Maybelline Super Stay 14 Hours Matte Ink in the shade Seductress, which is a nude color. And no highlighter. There is no highlighter on my face. There is perfectly no highlighter on my face. So this was the makeup I did today. But this is not a makeup tutorial. If you want to see this makeup, this eye again, you can comment down below. I can make the next video on it. So this was a video for today about the 3 foundations. I hope you like it. You can purchase all 3 of the foundations. I can tell you that there is no harm. It was of no harm on my skin. I have a dry skin type still. So this was the video for today. If you like it, like my video, comment down, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.